Hey everybody, this is Matt with TheLowCashHomestead. So we added another box. This is a single layer box. This box is a little bit smaller. This is a 3. I'm sorry. That whistling you hear is my sinuses. So it just rained. And after that, my sinuses whistle. I don't know why. Okay, so this is a 3 by 7 because we made it a 10-foot 2 by 10 by 10 versus 2 by 10 by 12. And one of the reasons that we did the 2 by 10 by 10 is that's what fits in my van. I can't fit anything bigger than that in the van. When we got all the lumber for all these other boxes here, a friend of mine came with his trailer. So we built the box, we put some weed fabric on it, and then I had some cardboard, so I just went ahead and put it in here. This is the spot where that tractor was. So that tractor, the production Reds cleared the ground out for me, mostly cleared the ground out for me. And then we built this box last night and put it in here. We are going to grow our Aztec Red in this. And then we also planted some New Zealand. We did that the other night in some little Bonnie pots that were left over. But one of the projects for today is to fill that with this. This is that same man, I can't talk. This is that same raised bed mixture, which is a mixture of screened river soil. It's got a little bit of sand in it. It's got Hansen's Black Gold in it. There's something else. I never remember the last ingredient. And then we added mushroom compost and had all that mixed together before it was delivered. Okay, we're going to get to filling this box. Thank you very much. Have a good day. Hey, Matt with TheLowCashHomestead. Here's a pile of like biochar. This was actually soaking in the cheapo greenhouse drip tape barrel. We ended up taking the cheapo greenhouse down. I kind of deprioritized the cheapo greenhouse when it was time to start working on the full garden because I found out basically what I needed to know and decided to just let it go. Then we took the cover off and weed eated everything down. So what I'm going to do now is take this charcoal, and I'm just going to go ahead. I might as well use it. I might as well throw it in the Aztec Red box. The other thing is the rest of the gardens before the boxes, I mean, I made charcoal all the time and turned it in. So I'm going to scoop this up and go ahead and throw it in that box with the rest of this other cart full of soil here. Hey everybody, this box is almost full. This is 3 by 7, so less than a yard, 21 square feet, and almost 21 cubic feet, so just a little bit less than a yard. I added a bunch of that charcoal that I scooped up off the ground from the cheapo greenhouse rain barrel drip tape. I had some biochar soaking in there. It's biochar that I made, or the charcoal. I made the charcoal. I got another video way back about some of the ways that I do that. And then look, I like to put carbon in the ground. All of this stuff, even before we built the raised boxes, you would not believe how much ashes and yard waste and charcoal and all kinds of stuff that we have turned into this ground, not to mention year after year of mowing comfrey over it, and comfrey will, if you wanted comfrey for fertilizer, which is why we planted that, it will harvest 3, sometimes 4 times a year. So this has been a particularly wet spring, so I'm selling those plants. If you're interested in comfrey plants, send an email to TheLowCashHomestead. I take Google Pay or PayPal, and I'm starting to think I'm going to add a PayPal link into the video description if you want to help out or want to buy something from me. All right, so yeah, I got to get the rake. I put it in the cart, and then I went over to the pile and started shoveling and leaned it up against the tree, so I have to go back and get the rake. We'll rake this all out, and then I'll probably have to add some more. But I like to add carbon. This stuff has a lot of carbon material in it. It's, it's got sticks and sand and all kinds of other things in it. But I got it, so I'm going to put it in there. Thanks. Have a great day. Okay, so I still got about half a cart left, but this box, we raked it over and topped it off, and raked it over and topped it off. So it's in pretty good shape, and graded out just a little bit. I still plan on adding the amendments to this that I put in all the other beds. I'll try to put a card about that somewhere about now. I'm not going to do that today. Today is kind of like a bulk work day. I have to do as much bulk work as I can because of just how today has been scheduled. Okay, that bed's done. This is going to be New Zealand. Oh, excuse me. I said that incorrectly. There might be some New Zealand in it, but its primary function is going to be Aztec Red. It's Matt with TheLowCashHomestead. Thank you very much. Have a good day. The cart is basically empty. I left a little mud seal in the back, a little bit of stuff here and there. I didn't really want to use the purchased dirt to mound potatoes. I actually planned on doing this with yard waste, but one, the cart was full, or I had about half a cart full. So, might as well. This project's been being put off for a while. Mostly my intention is to mound all this with yard waste. You know, that's what I do with my gardens, guys. I mound them with yard waste. So, but even now, starting to drizzle a little bit. The plan was to cut grass this afternoon after Mrs. TheLowCashHomestead had left for her nightly routines. In any case, we got a little bit done, and we got rid of some of the dirt in our cart. Matt with TheLowCashHomestead. Thank you very much. Have a good day.